When the mass break on Groupama, I think I was going on standby and we were sailing upwind. It was not very windy and the sea state was really good, and suddenly you had a big crack and you have no heel, and what is strange is no sound, because the boat stopped and you go out and you don't find the first few seconds, you look everywhere and you understand very quickly that's massive broken, and then you say, okay, what's going to happen now? The race is finished. You are so disappointed. We fight so much to be in the first place on this leg, and suddenly, in 2 seconds, everything is finished. For a few minutes, you say the race is maybe finished, or we are going to lose the race, but very, very quickly, when after maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes, you say, yeah, I know we can do it. We can do a jury rig. So we speak. I think 30 minutes after, we were already organizing for it. We are just lucky that it happened in a good place, in a good leg. On a normal leg, we'd have all the boats are together, and we didn't have time to make the jury rig and finish. But this time we could do it and finish first, so it was very important. It's a very special situation. For me, it was like an adventure, and I really enjoy it. And I remember we were very proud of that. And it's very easy to give up because it's really long leg, tough leg, and sometimes you are so tired that you lose a lot of capacity to stay strong. So it's all about that in this race. Never give up. That's what I have to keep in my mind, and that's what I want to teach to the guy in my team. Okay, don't lose faith, because after the first leg, if we are not the best, we are a bit disappointed by the result, we can progress. And I think we have a strong team for that. We have a strong shore crew, everybody, we have a good team, so everything is possible. That's Volvo.